I am going home on the morning train. I am going home on the morning train. The evening train will be too late. So I am going home on the morning train. I don't smell no food. I'm not seeing vehicle. What time? All the gate open. That mean they must thief my vehicle. And my food. Mildred! Mildred! Mildred, kiss on me. Boy, me and the running clear that walking off. Mildred! The food! Me van! Mildred! Mildred! Have a clot, it look like MT5 too. Mildred! Mildred! Oh, them not teeth yet too.
Shepherd, what the excitement for? What do you?
I'm hungry, me hungry. And that do me. You forget say 2 months now me there now, Mildred. Me miss the home cooking. Anton, where the van there?
Calm down. The van gone service. If you get your time for van service and food, I wait for you before we go out go eat. To celebrate your elevation.
You know, if I say the little thing, them fi calm my nerves, you know. Me no remember say they want service, you know. Me no remember. But the little girl ready since I carry go. Where little girl there? Little girl? Little girl? But she know should have come greet me. Away in there.
Our father come here, man. Cause remember school are open. And him have to carry so he can get her ready for go to school. So want water, yeah. Calm down your nerve.
No, hold on for the water a little bit. What you mean? Come here. Eh? Me gone a convention and him present himself here. Come take picnic. Him did left the picnic in my custody now. Do you know, Mildred, that is kidnapping? Eh? Me a go a station. Me a go a station. Him not supposed to come here, so come take the picnic, and when him did left the picnic in my custody, him rob the picnic. Me a go a station.
Shepherd, come here. Want you? Oh, the man must kidnap his own picnic. I feel him picnic.
I know for him picnic when him left him here. If he asks me permission for the picnic, or if he come here come take the picnic, and me no know. Oh, him wait until me there convention when me na sittings. So him strategically come here come take the picnic and know say me na see things that boy there see far. Me I go straight to station.
Shepherd.
What?
Relax yourself and stop going so. He might come here today. Because he say I come thank you for keep the picnic. So when he come here and he can discuss it.
Today I ever come? Today? If I today, you know, make sure say I today. Oh. Anyway, Mildred, you know no little sunak around there where we can sunak pan till we go get the dinner.
Anybody home? Knock knock. Who's home? Hello, Miss Mildred. Shepherd there.
Hi, afternoon. Shepherd?
Hey.
The young man is here.
Oh.
You can come inside.
Tell him don't move a bus. I'm coming right here to see him. Now, young man,
Shepherd, come here, come here.
Oh.
Him soon come to you.
What?
Come here, come here.